Bugsy, Bugsy.
You got it, you got it, you got it.
I need help.
Yeah, we've got you, man. You're not going in. Yeah, bro.
Oh!
Yes.
My balls hurt so much. I'll jump in. No bull shark. It's actually mental in here. Oh, I'm so frothy.
Yes.
He's so heavy.
He's big, man.
Oh my god.
One, two, three.
Oh, oh, there's a school. Oh!
Look up, bro! That's a coral trout! That's a huge trout, Cabby! Lock it, bro! Look at the wake on it! Oh, don't let it go! That's a trout! Complete lock!
No, well, I can't. I'm done.
Later! Lock up!
Breaks it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Breaks it! Breaks it! Grab his tail again.
Oh, it's spinning like a crocodile!
Oh my god!
Oi!
Fish of a lot.
Massive trout. Bear, hug it. That's the best fish I've ever seen you catch.
Wow.
Ever. Like ever.
Yeah, boy! Fish of a lifetime. Oh my goodness! Big bluefin! Big bluefin! Oh, yep! Oi, he's gonna bust me! Oh! Dude! Wow! Woo! Oh man, it's just one hook! Just one hook! Tail! Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you see that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Grab the towel! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's do it.
Oh, the fish!
Vampire fish.
These are so rare, we want to get him back in the water really quickly. Yes, we got water release.
Hold tight, big
Magical fish.
Very cuddly, like super.
Alright, I got him. Oh, I'm on. Oh my god. Oh, it's a big one too. I think it's my biggest one with the crab.
Really crazy fish. Some super colourful fish, that's for sure.
1, 2, 3.